What's up everybody, Jason here, and today I am super stoked because my new pizza oven just got delivered. Let's bust this box open and see what's in it. This here is the 13-inch outdoor wood-fired pizza oven offered by the Changemoor store on Amazon. And I gotta say, for just a slightly higher price, it's about $289 versus the $199 that a Bighorn's going for these days. This thing has a lot of value packed and has hit a lot of the pain points of the Bighorn and solved them. Let's go ahead and do a walk around and I'll show you all the features that this thing is packed with that I really appreciate after rocking the Bighorn for about a year. First off is a thermometer. It's got an integral thermometer on the door. And the door is typically gonna be the coolest part of the oven. So you know if you got the front of the oven hot, you are ready to rock some pies out. Temperature goes up to 1,000 degrees. The door has a plastic handle and swings out much like the Bighorn. On the inside, you'll find the stone is 1 inch larger. It's 13 inches, so you really could make like a true 12-inch pie in this. Also, that stone is gonna be 1/10 of an inch thicker. Bighorn is 0.5. This is 0.6. Also, this is a glass matte insulated item, so it should be retaining the heat a lot more than just the steel of the Bighorn, and you can feel the difference in the weight. It's quite significant. I'd say it's about double the weight of the Bighorn. It has pretty much about the same size stack, maybe a few inches taller, but something that this one has that's different is this baffle up here at the top. Now, whether that's to redirect smoke out of the user's face, or if it's in some sort of effort to control the burn of the pellets, we'll find that out in further testing. Over here in the back of the oven, you'll find that the feed ramp for the firebox is about double the size, which will probably lead to a lot less spilt pellets. Also on the door is an integral kind of heat-proof handle, so that way you don't need a tool to go ahead and open that up, because I mean, if you're like me, my Bighorn tool got lost like the second time I used it. Also in the back we find the firebox, which yet again has an integral handle, no tool needed like on the Bighorn. And you'll see that the firebox is about twice the size of the firebox inside the Bighorn, so that's a lot more pellets, and that's a lot more hang time with your friends, chances to slam seltzers in between those pies instead of constantly feeding it pellets. The whole unit sits on 4 sturdy legs that swivel in and out, much like the Bighorn has. And it also comes with a cover that's pretty easy to get on. The cover itself, I wouldn't say is the highest quality. It would probably disintegrate in one summer in a Florida backyard. But here and there, snapping it on just to keep all that grease and char and stuff from getting in the trunk of your car. When you're bringing it to the beach or camping or to a party, it'll work just fine. Also, you don't even need tools to assemble it, really just a screwdriver. They gave you a little screwdriver kind of Allen key piece that you can use to assemble it if you don't have your own tools. It's got a lid on top, which is nice for moving it around when it's hot, you know, get it up off the table, away from the little ones. Only problem is mine was missing the hardware for one of the sides, and I can get another piece, but I probably won't be really utilizing the handle that much. Last thing included is a really nice owner's manual that gives you all kinds of tips on making pizza dough and how to get the best performance out of this oven. Well, thanks a lot for swinging by the yard, guys, and checking out my new toy with me. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of these wood pellet burning pizza oven videos. To my Bighorn crowd, I'm still gonna make Bighorn content, so don't worry. And pretty much anything I do with this will translate over. I'm just trying out some new stuff for some new people getting in the pizza game, and perhaps you're ready to upgrade yourself. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Until next time, peace.